Presenting a raffle for maintenance for your air conditioning. If you're interested in
I've seen him on TV.
Say hi.
Hi. John, say hi. Hi.
Where's Lena?
Say thank you. There you go.
Yeah.